Alright, the Tuesday, September 4th, 2024. The part one of my 37-part series of my STX38 John Deere tractor. John Deere STX38 tractor. So, first thing I figured I better do is wash it off. There is so much stuff on here. The mower deck was completely full. Looked like a rat's nest in there. I think it was a rat's nest at one time, but now we gotta push this back. I think the problem is this thing won't go anymore. I put it in gear. It was surging. It would, in second and third gear, it would kind of like go along and it would stop and it'd get all jerky. And so from what I understand, you got to take a couple linkages off there, disconnect the brake discombobulator, and then take a couple other bolts off, drop the rear end out of here. Once we unbolt it, it should be easy enough to just pick up. And I need to take the deck off too. I should probably take the deck off first. So this is going to be a multi-phase improvement here. We got a big hole in top of the deck and underneath here that we want to patch up. I think there's another hole somewhere, or at least there's another one getting started right there. And then we got the two big holes in the body here. One there, one over there. So we're going to have to cut some of that out and redo that with that wonderful piece of sheet metal I got today. I don't think it's going to be too hard to get these. We just cut everything oversized, put some dents in it, kind of get to the edges on there, and then we'll trim it off and just weld it all in there. Piece of cake. But yeah, I really kind of hate to have to tear the whole back end of this thing apart. Kind of little, but I'm sure the wheels are going to come off easy. They're not seized on there or anything. So we're going to try to yank this thing apart today. Stay tuned. If you got one of these junky old mowers, or if you got some piece of junk that you'd like to work on, hit that like button. Leave me a comment. What do you think? You got one of these? We're going to see if we can get this thing to run a couple more years.